It has been a long-standing debate. Does the content used in dancehall music, which glorifies crime, scamming and lewd behavior, affect the nation's youth? Prime Minister Andrew Holness, while speaking during a training session for workers of his Jamaica Labour Party in St. Catherine recently, said Jamaican music is having a huge impact locally and internationally. His comments came on the heels of dancehall artist Skeng being banned in Guyana over a gun salute at the Baderation event at the Guyanese National Park in May, which led to a premature end to the concert. The Prime Minister was quoted saying, "When another country says, 'I don't want your artists in my country,' it's an embarrassment," end quote. Mr. Holness says these types of songs, he believes, are negatively impacting the youth and is of grave concern to him. The Prime Minister was making special mention to trending dancehall songs called Wap Wap, Chop Chap and Code. Wap Wap is a hit single by Skillibeng glorifying gun violence, while Chap is a term used in music to promote ill-gotten gains, popularly known as scamming. As it relates to the line in the song Code, it mentions females performing oral sex with the nutritional drink Ensure.